video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to edit any video which is already published on your YouTube channel and it is getting good amount of response, good amount of subscribers, good amount of views, and you don't want to delete it due to any copyright reason or any kind of other reason. So what you can do is you can simply use YouTuber's trim and delete option, which will help you to edit your YouTube video in the YouTube creator studio itself, so you don't have to delete that video and re-upload it again, right? So let me show you directly how you can edit your video, or basically you can trim and delete the unimportant part from your video. So let's directly jump into my YouTube studio. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my demo YouTube channel where I do have published one video which is totally public, and this video is published right now. Right now, let's say I got any kind of copyright issue or legal issue due to which I need to trim this particular video. So how can I trim this video, or how can I delete any specific part from this video without deleting this and re-uploading it? So for that, I just need to click on this details button, and in details button I'll be able to see this editor option. So when you click on this editor option, and this is the first time I'm using this editor option in this account, that's why it is asking me to get started. So when you get started, you'll be able to see the whole video in this timeline, and these are the option you get. Now you need to note one thing, that this is not a full-fledged video editor. This is just if you are getting any issue like copyright issue or any kind of other legal issue because of any footage or any scene in your particular video, so you can use this trimming option in that case. Right now, let's say I want to delete 2 or 3 scenes from this particular video. This is the whole timeline, or basically the whole length of this particular video is around 7 minutes 56 seconds. So let's say I want to delete 15 seconds footage from this particular video. So what I can do is I can select the trim and cut option. First I have to click on this, and when you select, this is the trimming option if you want to keep any specific area, or basically if you want to delete this video from the end, from the starting and the end. So this tool is basically for that, right? And if you don't want to trim it or delete it from the starting and from the end, then you can leave this blue color tool. You don't need to use this, just you need to spread it into the whole timeline so that all the whole video can fit under this. Right now you need to click on this new cut, and new cut is for any specific trimming. Let's say I want to trim the video from 2 minutes to 2 minutes 15 seconds. I want to trim from 2 minutes to 2 minutes 15 seconds. So in this 15-minute footage I want to delete, and if you're not able to understand properly, you can zoom in like this as well so that you can see the timeline. So this is where the 2 minutes 15 seconds is, right? This area will be deleted if I click on cut, right? So one cut has been decided. Now if you want to apply one more cut, basically you can apply multiple cuts. Now let's say I want to apply one more cut from 3 minutes 15 seconds to 3 minutes 30 seconds. So what I can do is I can click on new cut again, and here I'll apply here, and let me zoom out a little bit so that I can see properly this area, right? 3 minute, okay, it's not, it should be 3 minutes 30 seconds, right? 3 minutes 15 seconds to 3 minutes 30 seconds, right? Now if I click on cut, these two parts will be deleted from my video. As you can see, this area and this area will be deleted from my video, and without being deleting the whole video and republish it after editing it manually, right? Now for that I just have to click on this save button. If I'm not saving it, then the whole editing thing and trimming and cutting will be disappeared. So you need to click on save button. When you click on save button, this will ask you once again that save changes. It might take a few hours for your changes to apply during that time, viewers will see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. The original version of the video will be stored, so you can uh, undo other edits, right? So basically you need to understand that this is only one chance. You will be not able to make any other changes in future in this particular video. Now again, if you get any other issue, then you, in that case, the second time you need to delete the video, then manually edit it and re-upload it, right? Now the first option says that it can take some time, it can take few hours to the edit, basically to do the edit. So in the meantime, the basically the viewers will see the same video without being the content deleted, and the original version will be saved and stored into the YouTube Studio, so that you can undo if you get if you want to get back these footage into your video. Right now, let me hit the save button, and it is now being processed. Right, so after few hours or maybe few minutes, the video will be edited automatically or trimmed automatically, right? So I hope you understood how to apply or how to edit your published video on YouTube. If you still have any question or any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.